Hey guys, it's Hannah and welcome back to my channel. So today's video is going to be a little different because I am not going to do a makeup tutorial, but I am going to do a product review of the Sun Mini UV LED nail lamp. So the reasons I bought this lamp is first, it saves time. Second, when I saw it online, I thought it's cute. And third, I'm bored. So, I bought this nail lamp from Shopee for 130 pesos, added it to my cart, waited a few days, and received the package. So, I can't wait to test this, and by the way, I haven't used this yet, so this is going to be a review and first impressions video. So, through this video, I am going to unbox and test to see if this product is worth it. And with that said, let's get on with the video. So in front of the box, you can see the actual product of the nail lamp. And as you can see, there are a variation of colors. And here are the variations of the colors. We have white, black, pink, red, blue, and green. When I ordered this, I chose the color pink for the box because I like that color. So it's also indicated here that on the side of the product, we have the plug-in for the power. It has a setting of 45 seconds and 60 seconds. And it's also indicated in the box the dimensions of the product, and it has a power of a maximum of 6 watts. Now let's unbox. So let's open it at the side. So first in the box, of course, is the actual nail lamp. What I like about this is that it's in a foam pouch to protect from scratching and damages to the product. In the box, we have a manual and the wire for the power of the lamp. So first we have the actual product, and I'm happy that the seller shipped out the right color because there are times when sellers ship out the wrong color and leads them to a bad rating of the product or their services. Alright, so here we have the brand name Sun Mini, and I also love how it's very light, so it makes it portable and travel friendly when you go out and you want to do your nails. Alright, so to look at the other side, we have a foldable stand. And you can see here the port for the power and the button. And we have 6 LED bulbs. When you close it, if you're wondering why there are also holes in the stand, it's because you can also hold it like this if you want to. So here we have the Sun Mini stand. That's what it looks like when you pop out the stand. So here we have the instructions for this lamp. As it says here, it says that it's non-harmful to the eyes, which is good. And here, it's connected to USB for the power. And to operate this, it says to press, if you press once, for a default timing of 45 seconds. And to press the button 2 seconds for the timing of 60 seconds. It also says here the technical parts of this lamp: 6 LEDs, 6 watts, input, and the dimensions. So now, let's plug this in. Also to add in, the reason I bought this model specifically is because I didn't want to buy a nail lamp or nail dryer that's unnecessarily big, and knowing that I have a limited amount of storage to keep this product. So now I am going to apply the Happy Skin Express Gel Polish in this shade Perfect. Just to add a disclaimer, this is not sponsored by Happy Skin. In fact, I got this as a freebie from last year's Cosmopolitan BeautyCon when I bought VIP tickets to join the event. So as I'm applying my gel polish, I am going to insert some photos and clips that I took from the Cosmopolitan BeautyCon. Now that I've applied my nail polish, I'm now going to set my timer for 45 seconds to see the lamp automatically turns off after 45 seconds. Now that we've seen that the nail lamp automatically turned off, let's see if it worked. Here we have my nails. I know that there's some nail polish on my fingers. I'm not a pro at applying nail polish. As you can see here, I'm touching the nail. There's no smudge to the nail polish or no damage. Now that we've seen that the gel polish dried successfully, I now wanted to try a nail polish since nail gels or gel polishes are known to dry faster than regular nail polish. So for nail polish, I am going to apply the Sansa nail polish in the shade Touch of Tan.
Did you learn anything from all the speakers today? Okay, that's good. Because I mean, I'm not a makeup person myself, but I really try to listen to everyone, especially Lord and Albert. We work together a lot.
Okay, so I have a presentation. It's a deck. And then, so essentially the topic is how to dress up for your body type. And hopefully the presentation shows up. Bored na kayo. Ay, dito siya. Okay, there. Dressing up for your body. Okay. So essentially, how do you dress up for your body? So iba-iba din naman yung mga proportions natin and our shapes. But fashion, we have to know is architecture. It's a matter of proportions. So it's ideally the intent is achieving the proportion that you want to show off.
Wala na naman yung digitization. Sorry, my name, worldwide, sorry. This is good for volumizing and of course for hairstyling as well. So you need to have this, okay? Last but not the least, ito na, patapos na, ayun na, oh. Be fabulous as always.
And I think
Toothbrushing is one.
and then skincare. That is true, you know, but we can edit it along the way. But all of these beautiful ladies here, I am sure they have a ton of questions, and we're gonna get to you guys. But I get to start now. What products do you think you can recommend? I think a lot of people are very shy when it comes to, let's say, scars, acne scars, Doctora. So is there something, I mean, a specific treatment that you guys have for that? I think it's a very basic concern.
Okay, so first of all, I guess we have to define what an acne scar is because a lot of people come to the
this direction, diba? And while this part is flat, diba? So there are sometimes in photos, you realize parang ang ganda ng kilay ko today, bakit sa photo putol ka tingnan?
Now that I've applied my nail polish, I am again going to set the lamp for 45 seconds to see if the nail polish will dry. after that 45 seconds, we could see that the nail polish is not fully dried yet, since when I touched it, it left a fingerprint on my nail. So now we are going to try to set the nail lamp for 60 seconds. So after those 60 seconds, the nail polish has shown improvement, but it's still not fully dry, since when I patted the nail polish, there were still some fingerprints on my nail, and it can easily be scratched. So with that testing, this nail lamp is highly effective with nail gel, but I would highly recommend setting the nail lamp twice when you're using nail polish to fully dry the product. In this video, I can't test the products on acrylic nails because I preferably like my nails short, since I play bass and violin, and I don't think that's suitable when playing them, and it's gonna hurt a lot. So with that, for 130 pesos, I can declare this product worth it. So if you're interested in purchasing this product, I am going to paste it in the description down below, or you can just search in Shopee or Lazada, nail dryer or nail lamp, and it will easily pop out. So that's it for this video. If you want to see more videos of me reviewing products, you can tell them what I can review next time on the comments down below, and you can see more of my videos right here. Also, please don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you next time. Bye!